Hello everybody, my name is Hunky Monkey, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a lockpick set out of a hair clip, only using a knife and a multi-tool. So let's get started. First off, what you're going to want to do is you want to split this in half. And if you want 1 minute, you can't see this, use the multi-tool to hold it as you split it. And these are really easy to split too, but so just keep bending it. There we go. It's not broke. Now you're left with these two pieces. So next, you want to get that little plastic piece off. And how you do that, take your multi-tool, put it in the multi-tool, crush it, and then take your knife. Be careful on this part, and just push it off. And if it doesn't come off, put it on and crush it again. There you go, I heard a crack. You can see it looks different now. This one is harder than it was in my other one. I made one of these in under like a couple seconds. It's really hard, this one. Okay, I'm just gonna try to pull it off where you can't see it. Okay, I can't get this one off, but if you can't get it off, don't worry, there's a simple fix. Grab your multi-tool again, and if you have a little bend like I do, flatten it. Make it even. So it's as even as possibly can. Same thing on this side. This one does have that thing on it. That wax piece, which I'm just flattening right now. I'm actually just getting it in the multi-tool. I'm going to squeeze it hard, make it flat, and then you'll be left this. Then you're going to take this piece, you're going to make that your tension wrench. So you're going to go around half of it, well, not half, but like a quarter, and then put in multi-tool, bend, and it's like that, and then you're good. Then you got your tension wrench and hook. I'll show you what a good set looks like, the ones from the same thing. This is my good set. There you go, in my good set, you see my tension wrench. Put it up higher. My tension wrench right there. And my pin right here. And all you would do is you would take this, I don't actually have a lock with me right now. You would put this in, and turn it until this part gets stuck and you can't turn it anymore. And then with this in, you put it in and then keep pulling with the pins and then put tension on this, so then eventually it will just click and open. I recommend watching a good video on how to lockpick, but this is just a simple way to make them. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.